Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is April 16th when I'm recording this, and remember, we have this week the Options Room Open House coming up on the 18th to the 20th. If you guys have ever been wanting to see what it's like inside of the Options Room of Simpler Trading, now is your opportunity to get in for free for a few days, check it out and see what it's all about and what we do in there. Just remember to use this link. That'll help you get in for free, and yeah, that way you can get in there and check it out, and be sure to say hi when we're in there talking to everybody. All right, so a couple of things I wanted to bring into your guys' attention. This is a bit of a push-pull situation, and I totally understand and see how what I'm going to be showing you, it seems very, opposite, really. And I think that is something that I think makes sense around here, that we need to keep our minds open. So if we look here on the left, and this is, let me get my cursor. If we look here, a lot of people have been talking about this complacency phase, okay? If you guys want to look at what this looks like for an actual stock, go look up any of the crazy names that were exploding in 2020 and 2021, namely Pinterest, Spotify, Snapchat, I don't know, names like that. But I think really, if you look at a full round trip, Pinterest really looks exactly like this chart. And you can see Pinterest essentially did something like this, where it kind of popped up, basically did a double top, and then rolled over and went all the way back down to where it began. So a lot of people are looking at this and talking about, are we in the same thing market-wise? Is the S&P here? I don't have an answer to that question yet, so we'll have to kind of wait and see, but it's something to keep in mind. Here's another way to look at it, a little different chart. Basically a double top. You could say it's head and shoulders because you kind of have this right shoulder, don't exactly the left, but it's the same kind of idea. And so we could be looking at that as far as these issues. And, yes, a lot of people are concerned that a lot of this stuff is going to fall over. And this is the calm before the next big storm, and things are going to be moving down. Definitely a possibility. We're not sure. Then you could also look at this. And from our interpretation of what we're seeing here, namely that how, hedge funds currently sitting on with the largest net short positions since 2011, basically saying the same thing over here, that the amount of firms and positions short are at record levels. And what do we know about basically the put call ratio? We know that when everybody's on one side of the ship, the market tends to go the other direction because everybody's already loaded that way. And so the possibility of everybody loaded on the short side might actually say, oh, what if we're actually going to go bullish? So I totally present these. I know these are very opposite of our possibilities, but we need to look at this and consider it. The other thing is, if we do look at the monthly chart, we do have a mix. If I look at this on the monthly time frame, I would be looking and saying, price is back over the monthly 10, and if this holds and goes higher, then there we go higher. But if you look at the other charts about the complacency and all that kind of stuff, this does look like kind of that right shoulder situation where we kind of come up here and then we roll over in a big way. So I don't have the answer. We're going to have to take this day by day and really see how this stuff looks and how it works and where we're going to go. But there are names that are working. There are other names that are neutral. And we just need to find the names that are doing what we want them to do, respect the rules, and work out when we take a trade on them. So just bigger picture stuff, kind of keep in mind out there, and see what you can do with it. All right, everyone. Thanks again. See you soon. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.